So now you people can ask your question.
I have a question. आपने एक बार recommend करा था Louis Hay की book.
Yes, yes.
You know, How to Heal Your Life. So
Yes,
I've
yes.
read the whole book and understood. So they have said a lot of diseases and they've said what could be the emotions. And she
Yes,
says there are two prime emotions, fear and anger, which
yes,
bring
yes.
everything.
Yes, yes, yes.
So how can we use this when somebody comes to us with a disease? How can we use that knowledge of that into what we are trying to do in either making constitution or healing?
And in constitution, we are not going to use that for, say, for all the disease, the root cause in on the mind level. And from Panchakosa also we understand that if disease comes from higher level to the lower level. So about the Manomaya kosa, the root cause of the disease in the Manomaya kosa. So when we add triogen, at that time we use this knowledge. Say if any person is coming to you with the low back pain, then without asking about emotion, we can sedate fear, right? So this knowledge will help you when you add the emotional treatment, not for constitution making actually.
Okay, sir.
So any other question?
Since nobody is asking, I'll ask you one more.
Yeah, you can ask. How your practice is going on about the constitution?
Going on very well, sir. Thank you. And thank you for all the time which Gabaji and Jayashree ji is giving to us and Rupa ji. That's very useful. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So question is, when we are making constitution, so we are making constitution and one of the important ones, as you said, was Manomaya Kosha. So we use emotions as a guiding factor
Yes.
above others. But constitution, when a person comes to us, so emotions don't change. So constitution of a person, almost to me, the way it is coming is remains the same. But there would be disease which may be different from the constitution. Give an example. So if somebody's humidity is less and is more, and but the person comes with a disease where it is plus in humidity, but the constitution says is minus. So how do we take the current disease into the constitution, which seems to be based on your emotions, which is more long term?
Yeah. See, actually, what we see sometime it is about the branch. Sometime, maybe the branch on branch level the humidity is more, or on any organ humidity is a local organ level humidity is more. But overall, when you see about the basic level, this the on basic level the overall R humidity will be less. But on the branch level, it can be possible that there is more humidity or dryness or any other energies plus in the branch of that energy. So that's why we sometimes get confused whether this is if we see this humidity over there, but in the basic constitution humidity is minus like that. That's why we get confused. So we have to understand that this energy is on the branch level and the basic level, this overall humidity is minus like that.
Smile afternoon, sir.
Smile up.
One question, please, sir.
Yeah.
On triorigin, meridian send energy organ. I know before. So when treatment do organ and when treatment do meridian, इसका कोई लॉजिक है क्या?
मैं लेता हूँ बट एक मिनट पहले अजय जी का क्वेश्चन हो जाए. So is it clear, Ajay ji? You got your answer?
Yeah, it is clear. Only in our time, I understand that we can go to branch energies, like what we do in 6Q2. But may be वही रहेगा क्या? May be sometimes does it go into branch or
yes.
because
See,
it's longer term,
for
etc.
example, heart attack. For example, a patient got heart attack, right? So heart attack is a myocardial infarction. There is coldness. So, but heart attack itself, we take heart as weak energy. Heart means heart is overall energy of heart is deficient, but the coldness is more. So the branch level coldness is more, but the overall energy of the heart is low. Okay. So we cannot say in heart attack the energy of overall energy of the heart is excessive. Okay. So in this way, we have to understand whether what is the condition of the branch energy and what is the condition of the overall basic energy.
Okay, sir. Got it. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Vishnuji, see, logic is the meridian gives energy to the organ. Okay.
Yes, yes.
So
Yes.
if for simple disease we can treat on organ level. Okay. But when the disease is chronic and the organ is very weak, then in such case we involve meridian also, because if the energy in the organ is low, that means the overall energy in the meridian is also low, because the meridian used to give energy to the organ, so organ
Yes,
is
yes.
not receiving energy because of the low energy in the meridian, so we add meridian also. But in acute case only organ level treatment is enough, but in chronic case we have to add both the treatment, both the organ and meridian both.
The acute level at first we treat on organ.
Yeah, initial level we can treat on organ, but chronic level we can treat on meridian, and both we can involve both. And if you want to treat only any one, better to involve meridian.
Like sir, fatty liver, it is
Yes.
a chronic problem. It is chronic problem.
Hmm.
So this time we treat on organ or meridian both.
Both. We can add both.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Mhm.
Sir,
Yes,
after listening to the recordings and after involving into the constitution decision making, like I understood how to form the constitution, but still I have a doubt, sir. Like how to decide after
Yeah, I
forming
was
the.
going through the just now in the group you have asked. So for that in the last video I have told, I think, how to select the axis, which axis we have to select. So I think in last discussion I have explained about it, how to select the axis.
Okay. So based on the axis or based on the symptoms we have to
Based on the
decide?
symptom, we have to select the axis. Based on the disease, based on the problem, we have to select the axis.
Okay, and one more thing, sir,
Say for
how
example,
when to do the unit and when to do the individual?
let me finish the first answer of the first question. Say for example, person is having low back pain with gas acidity, then you have to select UB with GB. Someone has low back pain and cervical pain also, neck pain also. In that case, you will select coldness with the heat, like that you have to combine. And when to select unit and individual, that depends on the dominant energy. If the dominant energy is on unit level, then you have to treat on unit level. If the dominant energy is individual, then you have to treatment on the unit individual level. Again, sometime we try to keep yourself in mute position, otherwise I will. Vishnuji, mute yourself, otherwise I will mute everyone. Okay, then you have to raise your hand, then you have to ask. Okay, so I will request all of you to keep yourself in mute position. So, say we used to try to find both the constitution, individual and unit, but based on the dominant energy, we have to decide our treatment. Say if the dominant energy is a unit coldness and we are selecting our coldness, you will not get the result. Okay, so dominant energy is very important, very important.
So may I?
Yes.
Sir, we will about to discuss Veena-ji's case, sir.
Veena-ji's
According to
case.
me, it's humidity type 2 and unit hotness deficient constitution. But I think there are still confusion in the group.
Okay, I have not seen that. Where was the it's in the group?
Yes, sir. It's the last case.
Okay.
Veena-ji needed help. Veena-ji, are you there?
Yes, I am here only.
So the handwritten notes.
So before
No,
entering
sir.
into the
History sheet also is there.
Yes, sir. Constitution history is also there, sir.
Tinnitus.
No, sir.
Oh, so I think this Trishulji has just now forwarded, no?
So before entering into the case, I have one more question, sir.
Yes, yes.
If a person, suppose he has some emergency issue, like brain stroke or heart stroke, which we were discussing now, like in those cases, we might not take the constitution immediately. So in that case, how to decide which energy to be tonified or which energy to be
We can
strengthened?
take we can take constitution in those cases also. See, in emergency cases, during an emergency,
Yes, yes.
during emergency, the
We
best
might not be able to take.
option is correspondence, Suzuki, or Triogen.
Okay.
Actually,
So
during
Suzuki will not
emergency,
work in that emergency
no,
case.
that work, it will work, but our diagnosis should be important, and if for that you need to have very clear-cut understanding of the pathology and the disease. Okay, so if you have that knowledge, we can use anything. But if you don't have that knowledge, then better to use correspondence, Suzuki, Meridian Suzuki, like objective treatments. And consciousness treatment should be used only when you have clear-cut understanding of the disease. Okay. Even in one seminar, Dr. Vayata used to say that they have a clear-cut detail of all heart attacks and what we have to do in the first stage, second stage, and everything they have. Even in pathophysio also, I have explained about all these things. So it's not that we cannot do 6-key and Triogen in emergency condition, but for that we should have proper knowledge.
Okay. And one more thing, sir, like if a person is having some issue, like he is not getting tested yet, in that case, based on this constitution only, we can do the treatment, or should we ask the person to get it tested and confirm what is the problem inside?
For example,
in my case, like I was having this burping and near tonsils area, I'm getting pain every time. So because of this burping, the discomfort is getting increased. I didn't get tested from last 6 months, 6 to 8 months. It is troubling me. So I didn't get it tested. So in this case, should I go and get it tested, or shall I continue with the treatment which we are based on the constitution?
no, you can start your treatment. You can start it.
Like it is not related with pathology. Like what exactly is the disease?
No, it is related. Definitely, it is related, and we should always try to find what is the cause of the disease and why you are suffering from this problem. But if it is a simple problem, by harmonizing the constitution, you will get the result. If you are not getting the result and your diagnosis is correct, constitution making is correct, though you are not getting the result, then definitely we have to find out. We have to go for the diagnosis. That's why I asked you what is the, for example, any disease. So based on the disease, based on the condition, I will answer. Okay. So this is simple problem. So you can continue your treatment. Sometime only with the bar magnet or simple correspondence, you can get the result. Okay. Because for this problem diagnosis, in modern science, if you go, they will advise you endoscopy. Okay. So that is not required actually.
Sorry, sir. Voice got break in the middle. I didn't hear anything.
See, for your problem, they will advise you endoscopy. Okay. So that is not required actually. So we can go without treatment, without diagnosis, without testing. And with this simple treatment, you can get the result.
Okay. Thank you.
So, as Ajay asked you right now, how's the emotions we read in the Louis A book? We can help them solve in the with 6-key. What is the relation? And you answered it that they will help you with the Triogen when you learn and practice.
Yes.
But when we balance the constitution, and we are making the constitution with the emotions only.
Yes,
The
yes.
emotion itself will get harmonized when we do the constitution.
Yes, definitely.
Definitely.
See, yeah. For
So
constitution
it
making
is
means,
helping in.
see,
हमने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इमोशन से बनाया है तो ऑटोमेटिकली इमोशन बैलेंस होगा, चाहे हम मेरिडियन यूज करें चाहे चक्रा यूज करें.
see constitution में हम लोग ट्रीटमेंट में हम क्या कर रहे हैं, we are trying to bring the or energy within the margin of norm. Once the energy comes into the margin of norm, it will solve your problem. Say, but sometime in chronic cases we need to add emotional treatment because the root cause in the emotion. So in that case, without asking the patient, we can add our treatment if we have the knowledge
of the trial.
Of the trial. So that's why I would advise you to read that book, because based on that knowledge you can help the patient.
But constitutional treatment also resolve the emotional imbalances.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
The patient used to come to me and say, are you doing some emotional treatment? I can feel some change in my emotions. So like that, I did only constitution treatment. But the person who are very alert, very sensitive, they can feel that.
Sir, then why we should do both the treatments, sir?
See, when problem is chronic and energy is very much deprived, at that time we need to support from all the angles.
Okay, thank you, sir.
I'm seeing the case history. Diabetes since 20 years.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Veena-ji, is it your case?
Yes, sir.
So I think you have coldness excessive constitution. I have.
Sir, branch I need.
Branch or individual?
Individual is coldness constitution. That is helping.
Yeah, unit is coldness excessive constitution.
Yes.
And
branch
or individual you want?
Branch I want.
Branch of which?
Coldness only, sir.
Voice is not clear.
It can be dryness also, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir, regarding Veena-ji's this thing. So how can we take coldness constitution, because I don't see unit wind in her case.
I have not gone through the case history. I remember once I tried to find her constitution.
Sir, he had chikungunya also. And all the other hotness related issues. He has a frequent history of high fever.
So that individual level, I think this is a yang wind type 2 or humidity type 2.
Yes, so humidity type 2, she is introvert.
Yeah, humidity type 2. I remember I found her constitution. But unit coldness and wind level, what about the anger?
So anger.
Anger, no? But the history of migraine, vertigo, allergy, and nausea.
Exactly.
So, yeah. So I think she used to express anger sometimes. Veena-ji, do you express?
She doesn't have vertigo. Sir, no, she doesn't have vertigo. Vertigo, Trishulji's case.
What about anger, Veena-ji?
No anger nowadays.
Nowadays?
Yeah.
What about anxiety?
Yes, lot of anxiety.
So I think maybe it shifted to dryness excessive or heat deficient constitution.
And one thing more, sir, I want to ask. This motion, about motion, every day I used to have to go for once only in the morning. But nowadays, after every 4 hours, 5 hours to go. Whenever eat something, then I have to go there.
Okay. I think we need
and
to.
Fear has increased. Fear has increased.
Unit coldness is the dominant energy in your case, and we need to sedate coldness energy from your constitution. Coldness and dryness both, I think. Both.
So can't we take unit? So can't we take unit dryness?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling
because
you.
What I see, so then it will be unit dryness.
Yeah. Heat deficient or unit dryness constitution? Dryness excessive or heat deficient?
But if we see more of a homo energies, so in such cases, should we sedate? Should we say excessive or deficient energy? Where should we focus then?
That will be based on the overall energy. So unit constitution based on the overall energy.
So Veena ji, how is your overall energy then?
Yeah, less.
It is heat deficiency constitution.
So we will heat deficient. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I still have one doubt. When we take type 2, so like if it is type 2, we have UB also deficient, and then Li should be also deficient. Then only we can make type 2.
No.
It shouldn't be that like.
No. It can be opposite. It can be anything.
Okay, but suppose and when we make it, we feel like they can express their emotions. So that means the dryness is excessive.
Yes.
But functionally the bladder is not holding the urine, and fear is also there. So it is type 2, but there now if we shift it to type 2, there the dryness is excessive. Our dryness is excessive. Then sir, then how we will work on it?
No. See, in type 2, UB shift to the dryness, GB shift to the coldness, and Li come to the wind. Okay. So this is also possible that GB is also excessive in coldness condition, in the place of coldness, and UB is also excessive in the place of dryness. Okay. So it's not always that in type 2, GB will be excessive and UB will be deficient. It can be also possible that GB is also excessive and UB is also excessive.
Okay. So that means in that case, we have to sedate coldness. The main, it will be that type 2.
Yeah, coldness. See, what happens now? Say someone is having, say, sciatica pain more in the night. Okay. In that case, the GB is coming at the coldness position, right? And the same person is having R dryness also on emotion level, and urine holding capacity is also excessive. So in that case, UB will be also excessive, GB will be also excessive, but GB will come in the coldness position, UB will come into the dryness position.
Right.
So it can be possible that this is coldness excessive, R coldness constitution type 2. In R coldness excessive constitution type 2, UB and GB both are in excessive condition, but in the different position.
So as far as I remember, when we were practicing 6 key this thing, so once it was said, if dryness is AHA plus and it is type 2, then we cannot make it type 2. I don't know, maybe I am.
No. We can make, but we can make, but we cannot make out whether it is type 1 or type 2. Only in certain condition we get, say in that case, say in our coldness constitution, how can we decide it is type 2?
When we see the urine capacity is not holding, or we see frequent.
No, in our coldness constitution,
Sir, we see the time.
Bladder is good. This thing, maybe they have fear.
We see the time.
See, in our coldness constitution, in type 2, GB is in coldness, UB is in dryness, and both are in excessive condition.
Right, sir.
So in that condition, this urine holding capacity is also there, fear is also there. Then how can we make out whether it is type 2? So until and unless patient, until and unless patient is saying about the time,
Okay.
then we can say, oh, it is type 2. It is type 2.
Okay.
But everybody
Then we
cannot say,
consider the time.
time we have to, but everybody will not say about this. So in that case, we have to do trial and error method, no other option.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay. Got it now, sir.
Sir, why this every time when I lie down, this whole right side, especially right nostril, gets blocked, and it's very difficult to sleep and
all
breathe.
All your problem is on the right side?
Yes.
All
right
your
leg. Yeah, all the problems are right side only.
The dryness dominant.
Mostly.
Then the frontal axis should be missing.
Frontal.
So we have to see. And Jesse ji is saying that you have memory issues.
Yeah, nowadays.
And concentration issues. So we have to decide whether it is unit wind is excessive or humidity is excessive. So since you are therapist, so you should decide which is, because if someone is patient, then the therapist has to decide, but you can help us to decide which energy is excessive.
Wind or what?
And humidity, which energy is more on unit level? On emotion level, what do you think? The anger or anxiety?
Anxiety is more, sir. Not anger.
So humidity we have to consider.
So for her memory, overall memory is not good. And that's why I took unit coldness, unit hotness deficient in her case.
Sir?
Yes.
So if structurally also LI is deficient and UB is deficient, so structurally and functionally both, if dryness is deficient, what would it be? Dryness deficient?
Based on this, we cannot decide. No? We have to see our emotion and everything. Then only we can decide.
So little fear, more fear, anxiety.
See, fear and dryness is, coldness and dryness is there. Between wind and humidity, we have to decide. So you try with heat deficient constitution. You try with heat deficient constitution.
Okay.
See.
And since that anxiety is more?
See if it is. In this constitution, frontal axis is present. So do you have pain only on the right side of the body or both sides?
No, back, full back, but more on the right side. Leg, especially on the right leg, right nostril, right side face also.
Okay, you try this constitution and then let us know what is the improvement in your body.
Okay.
So actually my network went for a minute. I missed something. May I ask one question, sir?
Yes.
Sir, now in Meena ji's case, when we see the mental level, her memory is going down, but her anxiety is increasing. So now out of the two, we should give focus to emotions or to the mental level?
See, that is because of this. This is because of this. This is more. This is more. But as per her accident and you'll see everything, then this is strong. Okay.
unit is more strong.
More stronger. So the dominant energy will see the unit coldness and unit dryness. That's why I'm telling to work on the unit. But between wind and humidity, we have to decide actually. Okay. See, sometimes this memory is because of excessive coldness also.
Yes, sir, what I have seen, because in all senior citizens there is loss of
Yeah,
memory.
so it is because of more coldness over here, and that coldness is going to on the branch level on the brain also. So,
Right.
so I think on the anxiety level, this is more. Okay. So we have to consider this constitution, and in this constitution, we have to sedate these two. So for her case, I will start with hotness, coldness, and wind. So that if you tonify wind, then it will help her to come out of the coldness state. So start hotness, sedate coldness, tonify wind. Like that, we can start. And
right.
after
So
that,
one more doubt.
Yeah, after that we can start heat, dryness, and wind. Like that, we can go.
So like when we have to find out in the hotness, sexual potency and menstrual cycle is seen. But as Trishulji mentioned that sexual potency is only seen in male. Is that the way, sir?
Yes,
do we only see the high menstrual, sir? Then after the menstrual cycle is over, then how do we say then it becomes AHA deficient?
No. If see recently, yesterday only in clinic, there was an interesting case history. So in that case history, we were very confused. I don't remember right now. So that case history was very interesting. An old lady came to us, and that was our heat constitution. So for BP and all, we were very confused. We were very confused to decide. So in that case, we asked about the menstrual history, about the periods and all. So in that case, we asked how was the history for all these things. So then she told that there was history of high bleeding. Okay, so in that we consider as our hotness was there. So we have to take the history. So in that history, if the history was of high bleeding, then we considered, because and the BP also it was fluctuating. So we were in heat and hotness and coldness. I will share that history. So in that case, we have to take what was the condition. So that condition will help us that this energy was used to be in excessive state. So might be it is present. So after menopause, that may cause high blood pressure in those conditions. Yeah. Because that energy will manifest somewhere else in the body.
Got it, sir. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
So for Veenaji's case, you mentioned we'll start first with hotness, coldness, and then you should go with heat, dryness. So
yes.
We should do the first one for a few weeks and then move to heat, dryness.
Yeah, that will be based on the outcome of the patient. So because the dominant energy is unit dryness and unit coolness, because in one axis it is not coming because it is deficient condition. If the energy is excessive condition, say if the energy is in excessive condition, then we can take in one treatment coldness and dryness, right? Since it is deficient condition, we cannot take in one treatment. So that's why after sedating coldness, then we will see what is the improvement in the patient. Then we can add dryness also. Like that we have to see. But we have to see the outcome of our treatment and then we can decide.
But we add both within the same time treatment, sir, or we finish first and then only we go to the...
No, after a few days, we may have to continue this treatment, hotness, coldness, and wind. And based on the outcome, the improvement course of the disease, then we will add.
We'll do both at the same time. When you say add, we are doing both at the same time.
No, not at the same time. So few days we are doing this. Then after a few days, we may change the axis, or may we have to continue. So that's why this treatment will depend purely on the response of the patient. So not at the same time we cannot do.
Okay, thanks.
Sir, there are many times, sometimes if the patient doesn't have too much of chronic situations, they are not able to understand what are the changes. So how can we ask them what are the changes?
See, that's why in the history sheet, I told all of you to write down everything. So say we have to ask about the energy level, about the emotion, about the sleep and all, about the appetite. Definitely in somewhere, some area, they will feel the change. Whatever may be the condition, within 4 sitting, you will feel some change. They must feel some change in the emotion level, appetite, sleep, and somewhere.
Sir, because emotion, if we are giving little trioregion, so that will change. But that is not because of constitution, no, sir?
No, because of constitution also, it will change.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
One more doubt, if a person is also using, is also on medication, so in that case, we are also treating. So how can we decide what is working there, whether the medicines or the constitution treatment?
See, when patient comes to you, they were taking the medicines, right? Say after taking the medicine also, say for example, if it was sugar used to remain high, okay, say the fasting used to be around 200, then after your treatment it is coming down or not, and this is one condition. And in some conditions, say for thyroid, they after taking medicine their thyroid remains normal, right? So after giving your treatment, you have to go for the blood check. And in the blood checkup, if the report is coming to the normal range or very low, then we have to reduce the medicine. And then again, we have to continue. Like that, gradually, we have to withdraw the medicine. In this way, we have to judge how our treatment is working. Once they are on the drug, it is very difficult for us to understand. Only the painkiller, immediately we should stop. Gastric issues, medicines, we can immediately stop like that. But if they are on thyroid, sugar, blood pressure, then gradually we have to check with our treatment. And we have to gradually reduce the medicines, then we have to decide.
Okay. So one query, like one patient is there, she was going to IVF. She tried for 13 years and now they went for IVF. IVF people, they are giving many medication for her, but still she has thyroid. Her thyroid level was normal last month and this month it was increased. It is increased. So again, they stopped the insertion of embryo and all. So in this case, if I treat her for like constitution, after taking the constitution, if I treat her for thyroid, will it help her for this IVF, or should I ask her to go for thyroid medicine?
Definitely it will help. But for such cases, we need advanced treatment also sometime. So right now I will not advise you
complications.
Right now I will not advise you to take such cases, because for such cases we need 62 level of knowledge and even triogen knowledge and everything. I think Meghaji also asked me about such case. So I shared her one blog which is in our website. So that blog we have explained everything about the fertility treatment. So in that we have included constitution, then the branch treatment, then the triogen treatment and everything. So that's why for such case you need complete knowledge.
Okay. So will you be doing online treatments also?
No, I'm not doing. Gabaji is doing. So you can take the help of Gabaji.
Okay. Okay, so thank you.
Sir, we cannot say no, sir. If they are very close family, we cannot say no to take such treatment, sir.
No. We can take. You start the constitution treatment. Definitely, it will help. But because if they are close, then you can start the treatment. But for professionally, I am telling you, professionally, we should not start. For close people, definitely we can start. But in clinic, that's why I used to say, don't start your clinic unless you have the knowledge of 61, 62 and triogen. So for close people, you can definitely start. It will help them. If you harmonize the constitution, definitely it will help.
Same thing, sir. In my family also, she is very close to me.
So you start the treatment. I'm not saying not to start. You start the treatment. It will help. but definitely sometime you need advanced knowledge for such cases.
Right. Okay, sir. Thank you.
So can we discuss Trishulji's case?
Yeah.
So one question, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
Sir, need your help.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, one of my cousins, sir, hit her eyes with a nail, and now the eyes is got red. There's no pain, sir. Sir, how can I help her, sir?
See, we can apply blue color or green color, but get the checkup done, whether they have injured the cornea or not. So advise them to get the checkup done from any ophthalmologist. Okay, so it is not a simple case because eye is very sensitive, and once there is injury to the cornea or something, then it can be irreversible sometime. So we can apply correspondence.
Only the eyes is red. She has no pain or something. Any problem? She doesn't have any type of problem.
So you apply green color, but still I will say, in initial level we can recover it. So just for safety purpose, for eyes, I am telling you, because for diagnosis they are best. Okay, so we must get the diagnosis done from them. You apply correspondence as per right now your knowledge. You apply correspondence. Okay, that will help. That will apply.
Sir, the liver meridian can help, sir.
Yes, no, not liver. You try with R meridian, GB meridian. Okay, GB meridian. Okay, and GB and spinal cord or SI. You have to try with correspondence and meridian Suzuki. You can try.
Okay, sir.
Sir, one question related
Please,
to the
sir,
same
share
thing.
the link for the infertility blog.
Okay, I will share.
In the group.
Yeah, I will share.
Okay.
Sir, like, after frequent wearing of lenses, dryness is observed in the eyes.
Yes.
Then how do we go through this? We go then branch 60, sir?
No. Actually, what happens now? Because of lens now, there is a the oxygen supply used to affect. There is exchange of air. So because of that, there is a dryness. Okay. So
yes, sir, but how to treat it then, sir? Because they have to wear lenses. Like both my children are having the same problem, sir. They are not. Now we are planning to do LASIK, sir. But when we went to the ophthalmologist, they said, he said 6 months we have to watch because there is a dryness.
No, you start our treatment now. I'm doing one treatment on few children. Their vision has improved, come to 6/6, and now eye power it was 2.5. Now it is 1.75. So again, after 1 month, we will go for the checkup. So it is improving. We can try our Sujok treatment.
Sir, what is the treatment then for that? Please share it.
Yeah, I did the constitutional harmonization, and I did then the liver meridian operation order and the ciliary muscles operation order. This only I am doing. Okay. So,
But in a case where I am treating a child, Gaba sir told me to do operation order in the lens.
Yes.
So that will help, na sir. See,
we discussed in one meeting that lens, actually the flexibility of the lens is controlled by the muscles. So in that one meeting, even Gavaji told now we have to work on the ciliary muscles, how to reach, and then we work on the ciliary muscle. Better to work on the ciliary muscle. So earlier
so one step further after reaching.
No, not lens. You have to reach the refractive area. Then in that the lens, then one step ciliary muscles you can go, the neutro, and then you can work.
Okay, sir. Lens is itself neutro, sir, of refractive system.
Yes.
Then again neutro of that.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, in my constitution was done last week, and it came to be humidity type 2 constitution, sir. So I have started our treatment based on Gabaji's advice, but I have been feeling very sleepy since I started the constitution. Is that normal?
Sometimes it is normal, but we have to observe very carefully. Sometimes it is good sign. And what about the other symptoms? We have to observe that also.
Okay. Okay.
But feeling sleepy is good sign.
Okay, it means it's healing internally.
Yes,
sir.
yes. That means your body need more sleep. Your body is deprived of sleep, quality sleep.
Okay. Thanks.
So Trishul ji case.
The constitution making will be different or same?
Sorry.
For 61 and 62, the constitution making will be different or the same thing?
In 62, we will learn about the branch constitution. In 61, we learned about the basic constitution. Okay.
The history part will remain same.
Yeah, it's same. So for 62 branch constitution, sometime we need medical knowledge. Sometimes we need more about the branch. We will learn in 62.
Okay, thank you.
सर एक सवाल पूछना था।
हाँ जी।
बेसिक सवाल है। अगर किसी को गुस्सा करना अच्छा नहीं लगता है, पर कुछ परिस्थितियां होती है जिसकी वजह से उसे गुस्सा निकालना पड़ता है, और उसी इमोशंस की वजह से उसे डिसीज होती है, पर उसे गुस्सा निकालना भी जरूरी है, जैसे एक माँ और एक नादान बच्चा। तो उस परिस्थिति में हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
एक न्यूट्रो एंगर को जब हम ट्राइजन में देखेंगे तो होमो एंगर, हेट्रो एंगर, न्यूट्रो एंगर है। तो ये न्यूट्रो एंगर है, राइट। लेकिन क्या होता है, माँ बच्चे के ऊपर, पेरेंट्स बच्चे के ऊपर, टीचर स्टूडेंट के ऊपर अगर गुस्सा कर रहे हैं, तो वो अगर न्यूट्रो गुस्सा है तो द नेक्स्ट मोमेंट वो नॉर्मल हो जाना चाहिए। ओके, उसका इम्पैक्ट उनके माइंड के ऊपर, उनके बॉडी के ऊपर नहीं रहना चाहिए। मतलब नेक्स्ट मोमेंट अगर उनको किसी से बात करना है तो वो बहुत नॉर्मल होके बात करेंगे, उसका इम्पैक्ट उनके ऊपर नहीं रहेगा, तो वो न्यूट्रो है। और अगर उनका इम्पैक्ट उनके ऊपर आ जा रहा है, वो कैरी फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हैं, तो वो न्यूट्रो नहीं है, फिर वो उनके बॉडी को हार्म कर रहा है। इन दैट केस हमें ट्रीटमेंट करना होगा, उनके एनर्जी को हार्मोनाइज करना होगा।
ओके सर। ऐसे बड़े लोगों के साथ जैसे हस्बैंड एंड वाइफ में होता है ज्यादा से ज्यादा, तो उनमें हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं ट्रीटमेंट?
हाँ जी कर सकते हैं।
Using 61, if we find the constitution and get treatment, like if a person is getting treatment, in that case, if a psoriasis, for example, person is there, so when we have
सर साउंड को प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है।
हाँ, वो एक्चुअली म्यूट नहीं किया हूँ आज सबको, बट हाँ बोलिए अभी।
Yeah, actually somebody has psoriasis and that person also has multiple issues like eyes, cataract problem and all. So if I only concentrate on the constitution and give the treatment, will his eye problem also get cleared?
Yes, it will help. It will definitely help. Constitution is the basic treatment, but sometimes how can I see if there is some problem in the pipeline or energy, say electricity. There is some problem in your house in the electricity, and there is some problem in the main energy center also, and there is some problem in the wiring also. So we have to treat both. Okay, sometimes some problem we can solve only from the wiring part. Sometimes we have to solve some problem from the basic part. So like that, we have to decide whether the problem is on which level. If it is, sometimes we can solve only from the basic level also, but sometimes we need to add branch level also, especially in the chronic cases. But definitely right now you can help the patient, you can help.
Okay, and if there is any external things like he also has bypass surgery, will that affect in any way? Like the constitution will.
It will not help in the negative way. It will help in the positive way only.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Can one do constitutional treatment and branch treatment on the same day, albeit not at the same time? That means morning time do constitution, afternoon do branch, or on one hand do constitution, one hand do branch. Is that a possibility?
Yeah. Not at the same time. Sometimes we combine both. Sometime. Say Say for frozen shoulder, say for example, frozen shoulder, okay. Generally, we start with the constitutional treatment and we do the constitutional treatment. Then the patient is saying that they have problem in one meridian. So we can do branch treatment later on in one meridian. Then on the other hand, we can do renting and reach to the joint or cervical area if they have cervical pain like that, we can do. But once we know about triagen, we do this branch treatment through triagen and continue with the constitutional treatment. Like that, we used to combine. And sometimes we can skip also in emergency situation when we are not in position to form the constitution. We can directly go for a few sittings to the branch also. But normally, no. Normally, we should start with the branch constitution, then go to the branch. First hetero treatment, then the homo treatment, like that.
Right, but if we are doing constitution and branch or constitution and triorigin, so my question is at the same time, that means, in one day in the morning, if I do constitution, can I do branch at the same time in the other hand, or should I?
Yes, we can do same time at the same time, but not on initial level. Actually, Dr. Varata used to say that we should not combine because we don't know whether which treatment is helping and which treatment is not helping the patient. Okay. But when you are sure that both the treatment is helping, then only you can combine. Okay. So initial level, we have to be very cautious, or sometimes you can start with the constitutional treatment and one day you do only triorigin and combine. And when you are sure that the constitution is also correct, it is also helping, your triorigin is also helping, then you can combine both. So like that, we can combine. But initial level, we should not combine. Initially, we should go slowly, and we add on. And for this, Dr. Johar sir used to give very good example. He used to say Sujok treatment is just like playing golf. Okay, sometimes we hit the ball and we don't go on hitting the ball. Okay, we go and slowly hit and we judge our next step how to hit the ball. So Sujok treatment is just like that. We have lot of tool. We cannot apply all the tool on the first sitting. So we apply, say we can go with the correspondence and Jones-Suzuki like that, or my treatment go with the constitution, then we add correspondence and other modalities, and slowly we add triagen, then emotion, like that for chronic cases. So step by step we should go.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, may I ask any question?
Yes.
सर एक पेशेंट को मैं ट्रीट कर रही हूँ. आई हैव मेड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. सो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बनाने के बाद जो फर्स्ट डे ट्रीटमेंट दिया, ही सेड 40-50% आई गॉट द रिजल्ट. देन हमने उसको सेम ट्रीटमेंट को 4 days कंटिन्यू किया, एंड देन आई एडेड ही हैज L4 L5 डिस्क बल्ज, बट उसके बाद से कुछ भी डिफरेंस नहीं हो रहा. और पेन इज इन यूबी मेरिडियन राइट लेग.
यूबी का ब्रांच फिर ऐड करिए.
यस सर.
यूबी मेरिडियन का ब्रांच ट्रीटमेंट यू हैव टू ऐड.
तो सर मैं वही सोच रही थी कि जब मैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अप्लाई कर रही हूँ तो कैसे आई कैन उसके कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में यूबी 25 हो रहा है.
हाँ जी.
मतलब ड्राइनेस टाइप 2 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में आ रहा है, ड्राइनेस में आ रहा है, तो यूबी 25 हो रहा है. तो अभी मैं उसको ब्रांच कैसे ऐड करूं?
उसके ब्रांच का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन निकालना होगा, यूबी का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन निकालना होगा. यूबी डेफिशिएंट है तो यूबी का ट्रीटमेंट टोनिफिकेशन से स्टार्ट करना होगा.
हाँ वो किया सर. उसको फर्स्ट डे ही गेट की क्या आपने जादू किया?
नहीं, यूबी का ब्रांच ट्रीटमेंट टोनिफिकेशन से स्टार्ट होगा. यूबी का ब्रांच कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन निकालना होगा. उसमें यूबी में हमारा कौन सा 3 एनर्जीज प्लस है, ह्यूमिडिटी, ड्राइनेस, कोल्डनेस और ड्राइनेस, कोल्डनेस, विंड, लाइक दैट हमें डिसाइड करना होगा.
सर उसको ड्राइनेस, कोल्डनेस है, मतलब कंटिन्यूअस पेन है और टीचिंग पेन है.
हमें 3 एनर्जी फाइंड आउट करना है. अगर 3 एनर्जी फाइंड आउट नहीं कर पा रहे हैं तो आप एक्सियल ट्रीटमेंट करेंगे, बट आपका ट्रीटमेंट टोनिफिकेशन से स्टार्ट होगा. से ड्राइनेस एंड कोल्डनेस है तो 25 हॉटनेस, sedate कोल्डनेस, 25 हीट, sedate ड्राइनेस, like that, and command will be 25 tonification. Last treatment will be tonification. So on the basic level, we diagnose that UB is deficient. Then on the branch level, our treatment will start with tonification. So like that 61 and then 62 we have to add.
तो सर वो जिस हैंड में जैसे राइट लेग में पेन है तो राइट लेग में राइट हैंड में ब्रांच ट्रीटमेंट दूं और लेफ्ट हैंड में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दूं?
Yes, we can do.
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कंटिन्यू कितने दिन तक करना रहता है?
Depends. It is like quantum satisfaction. We cannot judge. It depends on the energy of the patient.
नहीं जैसे 5-6 सिटिंग दे दी उसके बाद भी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन विद चक्रा ऐड करते रहना है?
Yes.
या कैसे?
See, multiple problems hai. Why we are doing constitution? Because of multiple problem. So for multiple problems, if the problem is has not been solved, unka problem solve nahi hua hai, then we have to continue the constitution treatment with the branch treatment.
और सर एक लेडी को मैंने करीबन काफी चीजें ठीक कर दी बट उसकी उंगलियों में नमनेस है, तो पैरों में भी ऐसा ही था, पूरा पैर नमनेस पड़ा था, हैंड्स में भी पूरा नमनेस था, बट टिल ऑल द फिंगर्स में 3 फिंगर्स तक मतलब हथेली सब नॉर्मल हो गई है, 3 फिंगर्स नॉर्मल हो गए, बट ओनली दिस इंडेक्स फिंगर एंड द थंब इसमें अभी भी पूरा उसमें नमनेस है, तो उसको कैसे आई डोंट नो, मतलब मैंने इसका यूनिट कोल्डनेस जो था वो कम किया, देन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दिया।
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या है?
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सर उनका है वीन्ड ह्यूमिडिटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन।
ह्यूमिडिटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड टाइप 1।
यस।
एंड इन यूनिट में?
यूनिट में कोल्डनेस
excessive constitution.
Excessive. Yes.
So index finger and thumb, that means this is lungs and lung intestine, right? So dryness, unit dryness is more.
Yes.
So you have to sedate unit dryness from the constitution, then we may have to sedate
सर उसके यूनिट में हम ऐसे आ रहा है सर कि हीट मतलब जो मैं कर रही हूँ 25 हीट, सेडेट कोल्डनेस, 25 हॉटनेस।
नहीं भाई मैं ना कि ये ड्राइनेस का सिम्टम्स रह गया है, तो आपको ट्रीटमेंट में ड्राइनेस ऐड करना होगा। ड्राइनेस ऐड करने के बाद आपको हो सकता है ब्रांच में भी ड्राइनेस में यूनिट करना पड़ सकता है, या फिर सिर्फ बेसिक कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन से यूनिट ड्राइनेस सिडेट करेंगे। एंड ट्रायोजिन अगर आपको आ रहा है तो सर्वाइकल का ट्रीटमेंट करना होगा। नंबनेस है उनको तो सर्वाइकल से प्रॉब्लम है,
कर रहे हैं सर्वाइकल का C4 to C7।
हाँ उसको ऐड करिए और साथ में यूनिट ड्राइनेस उसको ड्राइनेस को ऐड कर दीजिए तो उनको आराम आ जाएगा।
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
So finally we can take Trishul ji has asked some question in the group that about RA patient, right? Trishul ji, that the lady got RA after pregnancy. So for any autoimmune disorders, if you have gone through the book of Louis Hay, so what happens for autoimmune disorder? Our body's own cells used to hate our other cells, used to damage our own immune system, used to damage our own or other body cells. So this is about your own army is hitting your own people. Okay, so this is very dangerous condition. So why our cell used to hate our other cells? Because of hatred and jealousy in the body, in the mind level. And so our own cell used to start to hate and jealousy starts to go so in deep level that the autoimmune disorders used to create this kind of disease. So definitely during the pregnancy or some time there was some emotional disturbance, and because of that there is this kind of disease will appear. Okay, and in pregnancy sometimes liver becomes very weak, so we have to find out the emotional cause. That can be the reason. And there's one question Trishuji asked about the online treatment. What will be the outcome on the therapy? See, for any healing, your energy is very important. Your energy is very important. We need to make our energy in such a smiling position that the patient should get the smile vibration, smile energy from our energy. So see, we are not giving our energy to any patient, but during the treatment there is interaction always. When you are talking to someone, when you are meeting someone, our energy used to used to get exchange, or there is some energy exchange always. So when you are healing, definitely there is some energy exchange, and a great energy exchange is there. So for that, we have to be in the neutral state. If you are in neutral state of mind, then nothing will happen to you. So how to achieve the neutral state of mind? That is by meditation. We have to increase our meditation. And if you feel that your energy is going down, then you have to increase your meditation. That's why Professor has created this Samong Gong, Samong Dong, and all a smile meditation. So any physical activity, exercise, yoga, Samong Gong, twist gymnast, anything you have to do, and any kind of meditation you have to include in your daily life if you want to be a good healer, and if you feel that you want that your energy should not drain out, then you have to increase your meditation. That's it. And when you are doing distance healing, definitely you have to increase your meditation. If you are not increasing your meditation and you are doing distance healing or any kind of healing, that means you are going to be in very dangerous position. So my advice is, don't do this without meditation. Increase your meditation.
सर ये हीलिंग देने से पहले मेडिटेशन करना या डेली जो हम जो करते हैं?
Daily, it should be it should be a part of your daily activity.
Right.
Not like that कि before treatment you have
But सर जैसे हम जिसको ये जैसे डिस्टेंस हीलिंग जैसे आपने मुझे भी बताया कि आप कर सकते हो, तो सर वो टाइम पे हाउ व्हाट शुड आई इमेजिन एंड व्हाट शुड आवर माइंड दैट टाइम की हीलिंग मतलब ट्रीटमेंट करना है, सुजोग ट्रीटमेंट उस पर्सन को जो काफी दूर बैठे हैं?
Just see the smiling, imagine the smiling face of the patient.
Okay.
Even Professor has demonstrated distance healing through someone. Generally, we do distance healing, say through mother, we can do the treatment of the child. Even we can do distance healing through anyone. Professor used to say, if two friends are very much connected with each other, then you have to say to that patient to imagine that person, to imagine the smiling face of that person, and you can send the energy through that person to that patient. So we can through any medium, anybody we can send. So it is the your energy which is going to help to channelize. So the neutral energy of the therapist is very important. Smile energy of the therapist is very important. So nothing like that, how to imagine, only the smiling face, that is enough.
Okay.
Sir, please, Trishulji's case, I have a little doubt.
Yes.
Sir, you have taken in unit, you have taken our heat deficient case.
Which
sir,
case?
But as Trishulji's case.
Okay.
It's heat deficient. Sir, but when we make the see the history, clear cut, sir, wind and wind is there to be seen. Then in unit, how we give it as deficient in there then?
No. In that time, there was some court issue, that case, no?
Yes, sir. So, no, but the patient is the problem of tinnitus, deafness, disbalance. So, we see that issues or we see the anxiety only. And
no. Tinnitus, ignore tinnitus for the time being. Deafness and imbalance can be because of coldness also.
Right, sir.
Okay. And tinnitus is wind, but tinnitus don't consider as a disease.
No, sir, I agree, sir. But why we are giving it as wind deficient unit?
No, because right now, I told you, right now in this condition, there was more anxiety. So as compared to the wind, that's why we are considering humidity more right now, because we have to consider the present situation.
Okay, so then, but if we see unit wind excessive, then also we don't take it. We have to, because cross link we are getting unit wind, unit humidity and unit dryness are clear cut. Both
cross
and
link we are getting heat, hotness and coldness excessive. Heat, hotness and coldness excessive.
Heat, hotness. So, on individual, what was my diagnosis?
Heat, hotness, coldness excessive, sir.
Yes. Heat, hotness, coldness. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So where was the doubt? Means in unit level, there is a doubt on unit level?
Yes, sir. It's a yes.
Yeah, unit level, I told you, no, because of the present situation, we decided between wind and humidity, which is more stronger right now. See, sometime
so then
we have to
ignore,
decide
sir.
between.
Then if we see unit wind, but still I have to take it as deficient, means that is the case. We have to give more importance to the emotion level that time.
Yes. That's why. Na? Present situation, which emotion is dominant? See, sometime in one patient, we have to decide between wind and humidity, sometime between heat and dryness, sometime between hotness and coldness. Yesterday in clinic, we were confused between hotness and coldness. Okay. So again, we asked about everything, and then we decide, no, right now on hotness level, this is more, this is deficient, like that. So sometime in some patient, in one axis, we are confused. So in this case also, we were confused between wind and humidity. So we asked which is more dominant right now in present situation. So based on that, we decided.
Yeah, individual, we took a wind plus.
Yeah.
Okay, so that means that moment only will focus
present situation
on the emotion that is just longer dominant.
Yes, present situation.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, we can put a smile music also in the
Can
clinic.
be defensive energy as well.
Sorry.
Can we consider it as a defensive energy?
Yes, defensive or not. It can be defensive. It can be causes also.
Because at that time, if his unit wind is excessive, so humidity might be due to defense. So is it okay to suppress that energy at that time?
No. In this case, there was court issue, no? So that if it will come in defense, then it will be different. So right now, this is not the defense. It is the cause. Right now, they are suffering from that disease, that emotion. So it is not coming in defense. It is the cause. We have to find what is the cause, whether it is the cause or the defense. It is coming in defense. That is totally different. So right now, because of the court issue, it is the cause.
But humidity also has tendency to suppress coldness. So it might would it be a good idea to suppress humidity at that time rather than coldness?
No. See, this was first we have to decide the constitution. Okay. Then after deciding the constitution, we have to decide which is the dominant energy, and that energy we have to sedate.
Yes, sir. You're
so
right.
Dominant energy can be coldness.
Yeah, but then that means direct coldness sedation would always affect both of the energies.
Yes.
We wouldn't have to work on the other one. Just simply sedation of coldness might help. We wouldn't have to go to any axial relationship.
So we have to always harmonize the constitution, not one energy. If we are sedating one energy, then it is not. It can be Suzuki treatment, not 6-key constitutional treatment.
Okay.
Why we are trying to find
because
the constitution? Why we are trying to find the constitution? Because there is multiple problems. If there is only one problem, then no need to find the constitution. We can work only with the simple one, magnet.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
So Vanda, actually, when a therapist, for example, I faced a situation a few years back, like myself, my husband, and my kid. 3 of us are suffering from viral fever. In that case, I was treating myself and I treated my kid also. I only used meridian and basic correspondence. But if that is the case in 6-key constitution treatment, if the therapist is not well, will he be able to treat the other person, or we should
see when you are treating the constitutional treatment at that time, your energy is important. But when you are using magnet seeds, then at that time your energy doesn't matter. See, objective treatment and consciousness treatment, that's different. Okay, so I told you in 6-key class. So for meridian and correspondence treatment, doesn't matter.
Yeah, but 6-key it does matter, right?
Yeah. Consciousness treatment, it will matter. So you have to take the help of someone else.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And Trishulji, you have asked about the about emotion and reason level. In the last 6-key batch also, I discussed that I have prepared one notes, but I have to find where I was unable to find in my laptop because of some updates. So definitely I will find, and I will have a discussion on emotion level and reason level very soon.
So what about zone Suzuki, sir, in that case? Zone and diamond. Diamond is also
all are
think,
objective, all objective treatment. You have to done actually again made in Suzuki course.
Yeah, sir, actually I feel so.
Yeah. So actually correspondence treatment and Suzuki direction treatment and twist therapy, these all are objective treatment. Okay, and in Suzuki there is maiden Suzuki, chakra Suzuki, zone Suzuki, and diamond Suzuki. All comes under Suzuki. 6 key, 8 key, triagen, all others are consciousness treatment.
Okay.
Yes, Minu ji, क्या बोले थे आप?
Sir, you promised to talk about meditation.
I will. At right time I will talk.
And sir, you abhi आपने discuss किया कि we must do meditate.
Yes.
If we are practicing.
Yes.
So how can we come to know that we are moving in meditation in a circular path or upgrade path? How can we calculate ourselves?
Sir, it's a long topic. We need to discuss it someday else. It's about some. I mean, sir, you have next class on 7th.
No, today I don't have class. That's why I'm continuing. I have kept 6:30 because when I have class, I will stop. So let me finish with this answer. See, in meditation, now you don't have to think. If you are in right path, you have to choose which is the right path for you, and God will guide you. Once you are in that path, the change will automatically come. But the time, it will depend on your karma. Say, for example, when you are putting the grams in the water, the moment you put the grams in the water, the changes starts, but you cannot see immediately. Okay, in the next day morning, you can see after a few hours, or next day morning, you can see, yes, there is some change in the grams. Okay, चने में आप चने को पानी में डालेंगे तो उनमें change दिखेगा कुछ देर के बाद. In the same way, the moment you are sitting in the meditation, the change is there. Immediately the change starts in your body, but you cannot feel that change because of burden of our karmas. So when the karma will means there will be neutralized. Neutralized, then slowly and gradually you will be able to feel the change in your body, in your mind, on your energy level. So when you will feel the change, that is totally different issue. So don't think about the changes, just do it, just sit in your daily practice.
Thank you, sir. We are sitting.
Yes.
We are doing our karma, sir.
Yes, don't गीता में कृष्ण जी
we are trying to dilute our karmas, sir.
Yeah. कृष्ण जी ने कहा है ना, नहीं, don't try to dilute, don't try to do anything, just sit. फल की इच्छा नहीं रखते, just do your karmas.
Yes, sir.
One more question.
But sir, there is a greed behind it. कि कब होगा, कब होगा.
बस वो जब डिजायर आ गया ना तो वो खत्म हो गया, वो न्यूट्रल नहीं रहा.
कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्य मां फलेषु कदाचन.
बस अवस्थी जी ने बता दिया. ठीक है. Coldness, virus is coldness. Wind means, Trishul ji, we are taking wind here as a lungs you can take, but better to go with the respiratory system, wind of heat, then reach to the coldness. That is the best option.
Sir,
yeah.
फल तो भगवान को भी चाहिए था, तभी तो उसने इतनी बड़ी सृष्टि बना दी, 84 लाख योनियां बना दी.
Different topic, difficult topic.
तो उसे भी चाहिए था.
नहीं, फिर उस पे टॉपिक पे चला जाऊंगा तो कहीं और चला जाएगा.
नहीं सर, वो बोला ना उन्होंने, तो मुझे ये लगा कि फल की इच्छा नहीं करो, तो दिस इज अ नेचुरल टेंडेंसी फॉर अ ह्यूमन बीइंग टू हैव समथिंग लाइक दैट. इस फल की इच्छा तो भगवान को भी थी, तभी टू बी सक्सेसफुल. हिज इंटेंशन वाज टू मेक ह्यूमन एंड अपग्रेड हिम. So his intention means उन्हें फल चाहिए था.
Who is Bhagwan for you? And then the question.
Bhagwan for me. Well,
question will go in different direction. Okay. That's why I'm telling don't discuss. Otherwise, it will go in different direction. Okay. So he's Bhagwan, who is
Yeah,
God,
you're
and
right.
who
But
was
नहीं वो it's just a general.
84 lakh
It
yoni
was
and
just a
all.
general.
No, it is not general
सर
question. It
वो
is
निष्काम वो दो कर्म दो प्रकार के होते हैं, एक सकाम और एक निर्विकार होता है, एक सविकार होता है, एक निर्विकार होता है, सकाम और निर्काम।
नहीं, निष्काम और सकाम।
हाँ,
निष्काम भाव से और सकाम भाव
से अगर आप करते हैं तो उसमें फल की चिंता नहीं की जाती है, सकाम भाव से करते हैं तो उसमें फल चाहिए।
Yes. That is
नहीं, वो जिसने भी हमें बनाया है, जिसने भी बनाया, हम तो उसको भी शायद ये तो चाहिए होगा कि मेरे आने वाली जो क्रिएशन है वो अपग्रेडेड हो। सॉरी सर, प्लीज नो ऑफेंस।
नहीं, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है कि किसने बनाया हमें, and that is called the realization. That's why I used to say, what is the purpose of meditation? It should be the first, should be the self realization. हम कौन है, हम body है, mind है और soul है. Then it will come, अगर हम soul है, then it will come who created us. That is the God realization. That is the supreme soul or God or whatever we say. So then भगवान कौन है and किसने बनाया, 24 लाख योनि में कौन बनाया, क्यों बनाया, this is a big question. And इसके ऊपर बहुत लंबी डिस्कशन हो सकती है, इसलिए मैं कह रहा था कि इसको स्टॉप करें।
सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन के लिए सर बहुत वक्त लग जाता है, तो ये सब जानने के लिए तो सर
बहुत वक्त नहीं, बहुत जन्म लग जाते हैं।
यही भाई मैं बोल रही हूँ सर, बहुत जन्म सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन में लग जाते हैं। तो अब किसने क्रिएट किया तो उसमें तो सर और भी बहुत लग जाएंगे।
नहीं, दिस शुड बी द सी दिस इन 84 लाख योनि के ऊपर बात अगर कर दिया आपने, तो 84 लाख योनि में हु इज द टॉप ऑफ द क्रिएशन?
अगर उन्होंने भी शुरुआत की होगी तो
who is the top of the creation? Who is the top of the creation?
Human is the top of the creation. Humans are the top of the creation. We are the top of the creation.
We are the top of the creation. If we are in the top of the creation, so can you imagine we are on the highest level of energy?
Right.
On energy level, on energy level, we are on the highest level.
Yes.
And microbes are on highest level or the lowest level?
They're actually, when we say that 8 energies, we think about that. Then we say that coldness and brightness and darkness at one point are both at the same point.
Then my question is, the microbes are on high level or lower level than us?
They are on the coldness level. They are at the lower level.
Lower level. So right now, आज के दिन में पूरी दुनिया डर रही है with microbes, corona. So if you are on the highest level, if you are on the highest level, then हमें डर क्यों लगना चाहिए? That means we have lost our energy level. Try to understand what I am telling you. We are not in the highest level. We are on the highest level. We should be in the highest level, but we have lost that energy.
Yeah.
We have lost that energy. That's why we are in fearful condition. We have fear of then corona and all the diseases. The first point. Another point, let me finish after this discussion. Another point, if human being is on the top of the creation, do you imagine how much time a baby takes to get in a walking position? How much time it takes to walk, to speak, to be an active position in comparison to other animals?
1 year.
Take much time, sir, comparing to other animals.
We are on the highest level, but we take more time.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because we are neutral.
We are neutral. No, we have lost our energy level.
Yes, sir.
84 lakh योनियों में we are on the top of the creation, but this is the position from where we can stop this cycle. So why we came into this world, and why we are into this level, why you into this position, what is the purpose of this position, what is the purpose of other creations? This is totally different topic. Okay. So what is the purpose of human life?
So you mean that after this he doesn't want to create anything else?
Yes.
After humans?
Yes.
You mean, yes, last सीढ़ी है ये.
Last सीढ़ी. अब मैं भूल जाता हूँ वो अभी जैसे उन्होंने कृष्ण जी की वाणी बोली, मैं वो भूल जाता हूँ, मैं सिर्फ मैटर को समझता हूँ. तो गुरबानी में एक है, ये लास्ट पौड़ी है, इस पौड़ी को जो चूका वो गया. ठीक है.
Sir, please in English, sir. We are not able to.
means that human is the only species to feel to have a self-realization.
Yes.
But that's the same thing, sir, that we are at the point when that's what I got from the gist of what you're saying, that we are the beginning, we are neutral and neutral as well. We are beginning of something new as well as end of something more.
From neutral only you can reach to the neutral.
From neutral beginning to neutral.
Yeah, neutral only.
Sir,
you can
neutral
reach
and
the
neutral sit on the same gate.
Same axis.
Yes, sir. Neutral and neutral sit on the same gate.
Yes.
So
from
that
here
is why.
only you can reach to the
So that is
neutral.
why if. So beginning of something new, ending of something.
Yes.
Is what human.
So different topic.
So we shouldn't be afraid of that then.
Yeah. That's why I don't
Sir,
talk.
sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, how do we do distance really through colors? Like, do we use a single color or?
Distance healing through color. What is your question?
Sir, like suppose we have to do distance healing through constitution. So, sir, can we use colors?
Yeah, we can use color. Whatever the method you can use. We'll discuss later on next day because it's close to 7. Okay, we'll take this topic next meeting.
So how to put 2 needles on command, sir? I think we missed this point.
No, we missed. We discussed in the class. Even in the last meeting, you asked, and I asked someone else who can answer this question, and someone has. I think Sumanji has answered this question. Again, you are asking the same question.
Maybe I missed from the video.
No, you have only asked this question, and I asked who can answer this question. Again, I'm asking who can answer this question. Okay.
Okay. Last discussion I had to go through.
Yeah, go through the video. You are not going through the video, okay?
No, sir. All
again and
again.
Again. Go again and again, because in one video there are a lot of topic. You have to go through video again and again. Okay?
Yes.
So it was
videos are not available now.
Now it's not available. 30 days has passed.
Yes, sir. Before 3 days only. I'm continuously chasing your videos.
Okay. So we'll discuss.
I'm able to view, sir. I'm able to view. Today also I listened to one
so I don't know because I cannot see. But I don't see whether the videos are
Videos are available. It is available, sir.
Today afternoon only I have listened to 30.
Sir, videos can be downloaded. We can download the videos.
Only the audio video will be downloaded, I think. Yes.
How can we do that? How can
on my mobile itself, I have downloaded all the videos.
Oh, is it that way?
There was an option.
Can you please send me how to guide me how to download it?
Minuji is sharing all the secrets.
I have seen, but I didn't find any option of downloading it.
It is secret.
I'm viewing it from the laptop actually.
It is technique. So some people know how to download. Okay. Even I don't know. They know. I am not downloading my videos. Okay.
Because they are much helpful, sir. Like apart from other videos, these videos are important because we already listen to these videos.
Right. They will guide you. Okay. So okay, we are concluding our today's meeting. Okay.
Thanks a lot for your time, sir.
Smile. Smile light.
Thank you, sir.
Smile.